Welcome to Attain Renovations. We're in Abruzzo. This is our house. We've been renovating. We've got another little house in Abruzzo, as you can see on our videos. We've been renovating this one. Join us on our adventures. Watch us change things from old to new. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Follow us. What do you reckon of this place? Do you reckon this could be a project? We can make our house double the size. As you can see, it's got a new roof on it, and the roof collapsed here and it's all come down, so you put a garage here, you can put a living area and bedrooms up the top, and it's got a view of the sea. I think that's going to be our next upcoming project, I think. Okay guys, after a busy week this week, Friday's rest day, we've just finished the pergola. That looks good. We're looking a lot more tidier. All the rubbish is gone. That's the view for today. It's going to be a bit of rain today, but it's been a very successful week this week. Never done a pergola before, so I was really excited about it. And then we come in here, we've got a beautiful door now, as you can see. We had to pack it out with wood because we bought them on Marketplace Facebook, and the door was actually shorter for the opening, so we've had to put wood in there to sort of bring it in. We were going to do it in bricks, but we decided to do it this way because we liked the feature. But not bad for a first time attempt together. Donna did most of the work, but you know, but wow, what a great job on the door she's done. And you can just see it is a little bit overcast today. It's a beautiful little area. It's coming along fantastic, and as you can see, the door closes perfectly. That's fantastic. It's a beautiful door. It was actually out of a shop front in Simona, and the only thing it's missing, is a few parts, and touch-ups, but apart from that, and then that's the window we did last Friday, and that had to be adjusted a hell of a lot. And I'm really impressed with how the windows come in. Like again, we had to step it out with wood because the window we bought was not the right size, but you know, when you're renovating, you're always looking for bargains, and Donna did fantastic on Marketplace yet again with this one. So we've stepped it out with wood to make the frame fit. Now we're going to give you a little update. This is the second coat on the kitchen cabinets with Bianco Shabby paint, chalk paint, and that has come along a long way. We've raised the kitchen so it matches now. We just need to do a few door adjustments. Very impressed with this. This has come. When Donna does the chalk paint, it really excites me because she knows how to find something that needs to be done. And she has a real creative talent, and I just give her the artistic freedom to do what she needs. One more coat, she says, but apart from that, wow, what a transformation. As you can see, then we've got some more tiles arrived. We'll extend the splashback. We've got a range hood and a cooktop to put in. The oven goes back in the hole, but wow. As we come down here, it's starting to now take shape, and the pergola looks fantastic. We got this through Facebook Marketplace. We must buy a lot of stuff through there, and it was delivered. I will say that he never told me that it was coming, and then all of a sudden it turned up, and the conversation was not very good, so I wouldn't recommend him actually, because it wasn't very reliable. But that looks fantastic. And we're going to put grapes that go over the top, like I've told you in the short. And there's another one we're going to order soon, and that goes at the top. But first time, pretty good job. You know, fantastic. As we come down here, that's another thing, like that's the leftover rubbish, like rubbish that was triple. It was from like there all the way down to there, and we're just left of that so we can get the commune. Bloody paint, you can never get rid of it. And down here, if you have a look at the change, we're still working on we've had to stop work here. We're still got to get that ready for the chickens. We've planted a few olives down here. It still does look like a mess. There's a few trees that need to be chopped. We're just waiting for after Carnival because the young guy's going to come and cut them all. But just have a look at that. Why wouldn't you want to live here? There's Fulci FC soccer ground in the background there. It's just a great space. You know, we've got exciting stuff coming up today. Look, don't forget, it helps the algorithm and it helps the channel grow. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with friends, and follow our journey. And just remember, you can buy an old house in Italy, but you can make it your own. And that, to me, is, you know, a really good thing because you're working together as a couple and you're going to achieve things together. Now, exciting news today. We've got the guys from Rossini & Co coming down. Great couple. They're doing a video of this beautiful house today. So we'll see if we can get some behind the scenes and we'll talk with Aidan and the gang. Got a question, guys. Do you reckon we should buy this abandoned house next door? We can make a massive house. Ours is the little white ones, the blue shutters. What do you think? Got a new roof, built a double garage. There's our garage as well. So we'd have 3 garages. We could have a swimming pool. We could have everything. Fantastic. Just going back to this house. This used to be the post office. It's all new roof. What a beautiful. Make sure you leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Whether we should do it or not do it.